guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we've got something quite exciting. Well, at least I think it's exciting. We are going to try out and unbox this bad boy. It's actually really heavy, to be honest, and it's the Arteza Everblend colour markers. You guys know that I really like art markers. I like using art markers in my sketchbook and stuff. Normally if I'm like trying to plan a new product or a new product idea, I like to use markers just to lay down the colour and see what kind of colour palette I'm feeling in my sketchbook. I know I've been working really heavily on Procreate lately, but I still do use my sketchbook on a weekly basis. So yeah, when Arteza reached out to me with these Everblend markers, I snapped up the opportunity because I've been seeing these all over my feed, all over my YouTube, everywhere that I turn and look, these are here. So I'm really excited to try this out. And look how many there is. What the flip? I asked you guys in the studio vlog what I should illustrate in this video, and someone suggested drawing a Spirited Away fan art, so I think I'm going to draw Haku or Sin from Spirited Away. Anyway, instead of talking, let's get into the unboxing and have a look at all these markers. So it came in an Amazon like package box, and then it's packaged in cellophane sheet. So let's open this up and open the packaging up. Oh my gosh, there's so many. This is the 120 Everblend marker set. So it comes in this cool case, which looks awesome for kind of carrying around all these. And like a shoulder strap as well that you can attach. Also a handle strap so you can carry it like this. And also a shoulder strap, so if you were a student, this would be a pretty cool option to have. And then this is the case front. Nice and simplistic, and yeah, really compact and nice. Well, I say compact, it's huge, but you know what I mean, compact for all the pens. And then a little, what's this? Oh, so this is like a little guide to the markers, like the colour guide to all the markers. Bubblegum pink, ooh, blush pink, cherry blossom pink. Very nice. I'm excited to see what these colours turn out like. They've also got a zip in the back. This would be really handy to put your sketchbooks, pieces of paper and stuff in. If you had a slimline sketchbook, my sketchbook would fit in here probably. Pretty good idea that. So a little extra zip there. Let's crack this open and see what it looks like on the inside. Ooh, Velcro. That keeps it securely in place. So not only have they got these clippy things, they've also got Velcro. Now these markers, I think they're around 120. I'll leave the exact price online, but ooh, look at all these babies. Ooh, and then they've got some more slots if you buy some more of the markers. I'll have to bring some more out. Look at all of these. I think I'm in marker heaven, to be honest with you. These might be good, but I want to try them out first, so let's get my sketchbook out. I'm going to use some proper marker paper so I can get the full quality of this. I'm going to be using the Winsor & Newton high quality bleed proof marker paper. Now Arteza don't actually have marker paper yet for these pens, but I just wanted to do it on proper marker paper, something that's actually designed for these alcohol markers and art markers in general, just to get the best quality out of them. So let's crack into it. So first I'm just going to do a few swatches in the corner, I think, just to try them out, and I'm going to select a few cute colours like this lilac, which looks really nice. So this is the lid, it says lilac and it looks like a really nice colour. So I'm just going to lay this down, do a little swatch, and yeah, see what it looks like really. Smooth. Oh, it lays down quite nicely though, doesn't it? So that's a lilac. This is Arctic blue. It looks really nice, so let's try these colours as well. I love swatching colours. I love picking colours in general. Got a nice Arctic blue there. I would say the nib colour is actually more of a bluer tint, but it's very similar, to be fair. So, but most markers you would always do a colour test because it just totally depends on the paper types that you're using. Different colours might be, different paper types might be slightly creamier, slightly textured. So doing a swatch in the corner or as a little sample on a piece of paper is definitely recommended. But I'm just really excited to try these guys out. I can't swatch 120 different markers, so I'm just going to get straight into it, guys, and I'm going to do a little sketch. I'm thinking of doing Sin and Haku. Oh no, I think I'm going to do North Face and Sin, to be honest, because I want to try out these grey colours here. There's a lot of greys and blacks. Let's just get into some sketching. So North Face is like a little blob, but I just want to make him really cute and chubby, obviously. Because I make everyone cute and chubby. Let's draw a few North Face sketches. It's actually harder than I thought it was going to be. It's really handy being able to just pull these straight out of the thing. So I think I'm going to use this one for his little purple eye things. I think I'm going to do something... Oh, why have I done that triangle upside down? I have no idea why I've just done that. What kind of colour do I want to do the grey? I want sort of a light grey because I like to work with pastel colours, and I'm thinking something like either fossil grey or stone grey. I think blush grey might be a little bit too big. They've got tons of different colours, but these come down in the shade. Normally his colour palette would be a bit darker, but I don't really use these colours in my style, so they've also got some like bluey type greys, bluey base greys, and these look like they're more kind of beigey base greys. So I'm going to try between one of these ones and one of these ones. So we'll see what these three look like. So I'm going to do little swatches at the side of North Face to see if it goes with the purple colour first of all. The dark one at the top probably is more like North Face though, to be fair. What about pink? Let's try a little pink, because you know me guys, I like to add little pink cheeks, and I really like the look of this watermelon pink that has kind of this orangey undertone. It looks really, really nice. Yes, I like this colour, but I don't think it's suitable because I'm kind of using bluey tones and things. I'm thinking maybe we need to go a bit lighter on the pink, so let's try this one. Yeah, that's probably more like it. It's not as orangey, it's more pink based. Same sort of tone. Oh, it's so cute. I'm gonna add a little pink to his hands to see how it lays over the grey. Seems to be laying over it quite nicely. I'm gonna add little pink cheeks to North Face. I suppose he's not North Face if it's little pink cheeks. Maybe I could just do it like half a semicircle. But I illustrate really, really small, so I really need one of those tips that are, you know, quite fine, and this is really fine, which is good. Good, good, good. And then back in with the chisel tip just because it's fatter and can cover more area. Oh, ho, ho. I do like the way this covers for the price point, where it works out like £1.12 or something. Ooh, it's juicy. Nice. Okay, I've quickly illustrated her out, so I need green and I need like that peachy colour. Actually that peach, that watermelon would have been perfect for this. So I'm going to try these two. I know her top is usually... No, that is way too neon for me. I do not like that colour for this illustration. The only other way is adapt and overcome and use this Arctic blue. It would have been nice to have this turquoise the same lightness as the Arctic blue, but alas, it cannot be done. There's like tons of yellows here, so just out of curiosity I'm just going to swatch a few and see if there's actually that much difference. You can see these have more of a green undertone, blue undertone even, and these have a more red undertone, but I'm curious to see how different these are, so let's swatch some of these. I'm just going to try this one that says Tuscan Sun. Also, there is quite a difference. You can see that is much lighter than the other one. One thing I will say about the markers is that I like the way they lay down on the paper. On this marker paper anyway. So these are the final colours that I've chose for the illustration that I'm going to be doing. All these bad boys. I'm going to put the grey next to the brown. And as you can see, this colour palette is the usual colour palette that I always go through. And let's get drawing. Let's speed up this bit. Okay, so I've done a little sketch here, and I've just done like a little tiny Chihiro petting a little North Face. I've done it really small. Look how small I draw. Honestly, this, I don't mean for this to happen, but it just happened. So now let's get into using the markers. So I think I'm going to go straight in with the No Face and get him illustrated. So yeah, that's it. Illustration complete. Look how small I draw. Honestly, I wish I illustrated bigger. I need to start practicing illustrating bigger, but I always tend to just draw really dirty. But I'm really happy with how it turned out. It turned out really cute. And honestly, I don't know if you've seen from those clips, but the actual pens laid down on this marker paper so well. Now, I haven't tried these pens. This is just an initial tryout. One thing I will say is I probably won't use every single one of these colours, which can be kind of the downside to this sort of thing. But I do know a lot of artists use a huge variety of colours, but it's always good to have those colours there, if that makes sense. So if I fancy adding like a really deep blue that I wouldn't normally add, I have a few deep blues to choose from, rather than just one. So I suppose it is good having that whole selection there. And that carry case, it's brilliant. It's just convenient, isn't it? I can store that case away, I can get it back out, I can open it up like this, and I was just literally pulling from it and putting things back. It's just so neat and tidy compared to the system that I have down here, which is just like a box full of all my markers and things like that. But yeah, I'm really happy with how they're laid down on this paper. It wasn't streaky, but I didn't do like a huge surface area, so maybe that's why, because I was laying down the markers while it was still wet. It didn't cause any streaking or anything, and yeah, it looks really cute. I'm really happy with how they turned out. If you have a budget and you kind of are starting with markers and you want something where you have a big range of colours, but you don't necessarily want to fork out on professional grade, the highest price markers on the market, this might be a good start for you. For £1.12 a marker it works out, and you get the case included. That's including the case. Like, I've split down the cost. I don't know how much exactly it is, but it's around that mark. Yeah, I think they're pretty decent. So Thank you so much to Arteza for sponsoring this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I love doing little art supply tryouts and trying new products. I'm looking at all my new goodies out on the table. I'm a sucker for new art supplies. I'll definitely use these again. Some of these are going in my pencil case. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you very soon. Alright then, I love you. Goodbye.